All right, and welcome to Dave's Cooking Show. And this is, just barely enough to be its own video. It really is. It's just kind of a twist on French fries. Most people just put salt or pepper on their French fries, or salt and pepper. And again, I do that seasoning 9 times out of 10. But if you want to do something a little different, if you're, let's say, having an Italian sausage night, maybe try this. These are my Italian French fries. You'll want about 2 pounds of frozen French fries. A standard bag of Ore-Ida or your store brand, that's fine. You want salt and pepper, a 1/4 cup of Parmesan cheese, a 1/2 teaspoon of oregano, a 1/2 teaspoon of basil, and a tablespoon of parsley. You want these herbs dried. Don't use fresh. For once, don't use fresh. Just stir this around, and you're going to want to heat up your deep fryer. Yes, you can do it in a oven, but oven fries are trash. I've never used an air fryer, but French fries are one of those things. They're already going to be unhealthy no matter what. Just fucking go all the way. So, again, little stir around, and I didn't shoot, deep frying the fries, but you know how to do that, right? Okay, next step. Oh, and again, if I didn't mention it, salt and pepper. Be very careful with the salt, though, because Parmesan is salty as fuck. Okay, got my basket of fries here, and I'm only going to use about half the mix, because this is about half the bag of fries. And what I'm doing right now is putting the basket back, putting the lid back on, and letting the deep fryer heat back up. Because when obviously you throw frozen fries into hot oil, it lowers the temperature, and you need it to be that hot so they cook properly. But as you can see, I added about half the mix and just tossed a coat. And honestly, that's damn near it. And as you can see here, I just put this in the shot for posterity for the thumbnail. And that's basically it. Italian French fries done. They're just a nice little twist, especially if you're having like a pizza night, like a real junk food night. Make these. So, like I said, they were really good. Everybody that tried them devoured them. But yeah, Italian French fries done.